Hi, I'm D-Lyrics. I'm the owner of D-Rasta. I want to tell you about thinning in your hair. A lot of people ask me about thinning. My hair was thinning when I first got my hair done, and that's because I got the interlocking type of locks. I mean, it looks great, but due to the fact that I had gotten my locks thin, eventually it started thinning out because of the interlocking. And so with that, I recommend, first of all, if you are going to start out your locks, to make it a little bit thicker. You don't want it too thin. It all depends on your hair type as well. If you have more coarse hair, more stronger hair, then you can make it as thin as you want to. If you have more flowing hair, then be careful with that. I recommend that you make it just a little bit thick. It doesn't have to be too thick, just enough so that it can be strong, a strong lock. Okay, another way your hair can thin is if you're not covering your hair at night. Sometimes if you're not covering it and you're laying on your hair, that can cause your hair to thin. I do recommend that you cover it up. Also, another thing that can make your hair thin would be to use, if you're using chemicals. Sometimes those chemicals that you're using in your hair will thin out your hair because your hair can't deal with those type of chemicals. So that's the reason why I came up with the all natural lock jam, so that it can help your hair as far as that is concerned, and you'll get the correct nutrients and the correct ingredients in your hair to make your hair grow and to make it stronger. Okay, so that would be another reason. Sister locks are very thin. When you're crocheting your locks, those are very thin. So like I said, sometimes you have to be careful. You have to really take care of your hair so that it doesn't thin. Let me see what would be another reason why your hair would thin. Oh, protective styles. Okay, so people put their hair out in different styles all the time. I mean, it's cute, but sometimes putting it in a style too much will cause your hair to thin as well. So if your hair isn't strong at the root, that can cause it to thin. So that's why I recommend that you use my lock jam, because the lock jam can help your hair to be stronger. And you need that if your hair is thinning, okay? Always use the right products for your hair. It's very important. Your hair is your beauty, you know? Whether you have locks or not, it's still a great product for you. My lock jam is good for not just locks, but also for braids, twists. It's great for your hair, period, because of the vitamins that's in it. So if you have any questions about your hair thinning and you want to know more, definitely drop me a comment or DM, and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Let me know how strong your hair has been by using my lock jam. All right, have a wonderful day, and again, I hope you guys find the D-Rasta in you.